Smart, multi-intelligence, electric wine aerator. One-button operation, start and pause conveniently. Blue window for pouring wine accurately. Red, green, yellow power indicator. It uses high-pressure, red light, magnet to aerate the wine quickly. 100 times the effect of natural aeration since multiple purposes are achieved instantly, taking in, pouring, and oxidizing the wine. Do you enjoy tons of flavor? Only 3 to 4 hours needed. Aerate 60 to 80 bottles of 750 milliliters wine each time. Easy to clean, just to wipe the surface. Velvet storage bag for easy storage and carrying.